Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your AmeriSave Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your AmeriSave Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and open your web browser. On the search box at the top, type in AmeriSaveRealty.com and make a search. The login page of AmeriSave Mortgage account will appear on the screen. Now to log in, enter your email address and password associated with your AmeriSave Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Remember Me. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. This is how you can log into your AmeriSave Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.